If you're looking for a new set of wheels for your Tacoma or 4Runner, we're going to be taking a look at a few different sets from 1552. So we have the Traverse HD back there on the table, we have the TurboMac HD right here behind me, and then we have the Range HD currently mounted on our 5th Gen 4Runner. All three of these wheels are a 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset, and we think this is a really good spec for a Toyota. Currently on our 4Runner, to go along with that same spec, we have a 285/70 tire. We did have to do a little bit of trimming to the front bumper. We had to remove the mud flaps on the front, and then we ended up running a low pro bumper from C4 and adding on the high clearance additions. So we really have no rubbing issues up front, even at full lock and full articulation. With these particular wheel specs, we did not have to do a body mount chop on our 4Runner, which is probably something most people don't want to do if they don't have to. But anyway, behind me we have the TurboMac HD, a really popular wheel for its look. It has the fake bead lock, which everyone likes the look of. This is magnesium gray, also available in black and bronze. And then behind that we have the Traverse HD. That is the bronze mono. You can get that in black, and you can get that in bronze black as well. The outer ring is black and the center will be bronze. And then over on the Range HD, we have the all black ones currently, but those are also available in bronze and magnesium gray as well. All three of these wheels are a great option if you're looking for a new set for your 4Runner or Tacoma. 1552 does have a few more sets that we don't have in this video, like the Patrol HD and the Analog HD. Both of those are really nice looking as well. If you want to grab any of those wheels, you can head over to yodaexpedition.com. Link right down in the description will take you to our full wheel selection. And with that, thank you for watching and enjoy some B-roll.